It's unfortunately quite a limited one to be talking about today in terms of opportunities, but a classic flip in the S&P, something to be watching out for. So this is one that the reason I put a chart up is not because this is likely where it happens, but just to illustrate that you can't see this kind of stuff from a chart. You're only going to be able to spot this on a ladder, but it gives a reasonably simple few ticks to be taken. And what's going on here is someone manipulates it down to flick it back up. That's essentially what's happening. And there's been a few instances of this, 1,500 lots, 400 lots, 600 lots appearing today and then disappearing. Having seen that, that enables you to then recognize this each time it comes up and act accordingly. So let's go and have a quick look at what exactly happens. So here we are in the S&P, we're trading up at around about 0.1. And what you're looking out for is a large offer coming in. And then what you're looking for on top of this is when the large offer appears, the action that happens below it. Because what's happening, or what the intent, if this is manipulative, and you can't say for sure, but it's the pattern of what happens is replicable. What you're then assuming is the person putting the large order on is buying below that. So they're collecting, so buying anyone who sells, absorbing any selling. Then pull the large order, so the reason to sell has disappeared. Those people who are selling front running the large order have to get out and we jump straight the way back up. So let's go and have a quick look at this. So coming down the S&P at the moment, just here, and we're waiting and we'll see it in just a moment. Large order comes on. There we go. So 1,400 approximately on the offer. Now what you start to see, if you watch down here towards sort of 99, 98 and a half area, any selling, the bids keep on coming back in this zone here. So this is now potentially where this person is absorbing. So what we're looking for is the bids keep on getting filled. You can't find enough selling to actually take this down. And the idea being that the people selling are people watching this large order and thinking, I can use that, tight stop behind it, and use that as an exit. But when we get back to it, watch this box here, this number here. That's the key bit. What trades? It's gone, jumps up, trades around about 400 lots at that price, which is probably trading through whatever was already there, and we skip up. So if you've been buying it down at 99, as soon as it disappears, now you can exit that just above. It's not a massive move, it's not a massive trade. But if this happens 3, 4, 5 times a day, you're able to take a handle, maybe a little bit more out of this by recognizing that large order, absorption below, spike up. This could also be a way of getting on to this larger move. So you don't have to just try and, you're not trying to play the spoof constantly, but instead this would be a chance then to buy on the break of those recent highs around about 99 and then get on to the continuation of the move up. Something to watch out for, only short term, little bit of price action that you won't see straight off a chart.